So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be talking about Checkout Maximixer, which is releasing today in the 9th of the September. So what is Checkout Maximixer? It is a secret software that is not a secret anymore, which converts 1,000 times more with just one click. It is developed by Purvesh Mahajan, who has been struggling for a long time and he has got a breakthrough. So if you don't have any personal ads running, if you don't have any experience, if you don't have any technical skills but you're willing to learn and you're not ready to invest any hard cost, check out Maximix is just for you. It converts 1,000 times with just one click. It increases your buyer experience, it increases the traffic to the site you want. You can add premium buy buttons, you can edit the checkout pages, works in any niche you want. It'll help you achieve your financial freedom and it'll help you earn $200 a day. They're also offering free bonuses worth 7,000 and more to the first 100 buyers. So guys, just go to this link right here and get your checkout Maximixer today. If you want the link to this, I'll leave it in the description box below. If you make the payment and send me the screenshot of that on the Instagram, I'll leave a link to that also. I'll personally give you free bonuses. So you can see the prices are again going to rise in 4 hours 9 minutes. Currently you can get it at a price of $17 for once and for all. Otherwise it is $197 monthly. So it is a very good deal. You can see the results of the beta testers who have tested the software. They've got $476 in one day, they've got $2,500 in 7 days, they've got $9,000 in 30 days. So this is working, guys. And the common reaction was that their emails were flooded with commission notifications after installing Checkout Maximixer. Here are the real life results and the testimonials from different people who were involved in the beta testing. You see, each of them had their own shortcomings. They were not able to earn money because of their personal situation, but Checkout Maximixer helped them to earn money and become financially free. They have achieved their financial freedom now. So Checkout Maximixer is just a 3-step process. You're just 3 steps away from getting thousands of leads. All you have to do is install this plugin. Then you log in and you enter the link where you want the traffic to be sent to. This takes less than 30 seconds, guys. And the third step is just to sit back and relax and watch the conversion increase 1,000 times more. Yes, that is just 3 steps from achieving your dream. You can get it at $17 for once and for all. So this is Purvesh Mahajan who has developed this software. So he says that we all know it has been halfway through 2021 and people are still desperate to get a breakthrough. They're falling in the traps of fake gurus and scam. They're buying product after product and still not making any progress. That's where they start questioning themselves, judging themselves, and blaming themselves. Right? It devours every single ounce of the self-belief one has. Purvesh Mahajan was also broke. He was dealing with a demanding boss, long commutes, difficult clients, and sleepless nights, and he wanted a way out desperately. He ended up trying solo ads, email marketing, affiliate marketing, drop shipping, blogging, but it did not work. No matter how much he worked hard, he invested, or how many times he tried. But finally he's got this breakthrough, and after this he could quit his job. He never had to worry about money again. He bought his parents a new house. He retired before the age of 30. He purchased his dream car and moved into a luxury condo. You can see the proof. People are making life-changing amounts of money. $910 in one day, up to $140,000 in last 30 days. As you can see, the clicks are 1,553, visitors are some 1,032, and they're earning life-changing amounts of money. So this is the secret. Checkout Maximixer is the secret for the top 1% of the traffic earners. It gets everybody's attention to your link, to your website, to the service you're offering, to your funnel, to your product. Because traffic is the lifeblood of this business, right? You need conversions to start making money online, whether it is affiliate products, CP offers, your own product, e-commerce, physical digital products, high ticket, coaching, consulting, anything. traffic is the key to your freedom castle. Well, it has nothing. Checkout Maximixer has nothing to do. The traffic loophole has nothing to do with solo ads, paid ads, Facebook, creating content, blogging, making videos, etc. So here it is, Checkout Maximixer. It is a simple, effective tool that will unlock more profits and more sales today, and you're just a few clicks away from getting one of the biggest, one of the best software that there is. So there are the 12 reasons to grab Checkout Maximixer, why you should be buying it. You're one click away from 1,000 times more buyers. You can tap into the $436 billion traffic loophole. You can get real buyers. You can get your biggest profit wave. No monthly fee, works in any niche, no technical skills required. Newbies can get traffic in there and increasing their sales overnight, getting results in 30 seconds. The prices are rising, right? And you'll get $3,000 of worth of bonuses. Here are the features of Checkout Maximixer. One-click order from Maximixer, viral traffic at your fingertips, offer cash discounts easily, jaw-dropping high-quality graphics that are proven to convert, and much more, right? So here are the software, and their monthly fee, as you can see, it is $197 monthly, but you can get it. You can get it at $17 for once and for all. It has a step by step guide, 5 ways to make money every day, up to $500 every day. But they are not stopping there. They are giving you $7,000 worth of free bonuses, out of which the first is the ebook maker software, which creates top quality ebooks quickly and easily. Second is the page takeover. Third is the easy launcher. Fourth is the engage plus software. All of these software you get as bonus if you buy the Checkout Maximixer. So I would highly suggest you go and buy it today. I'll leave a link to this in the description. And apart from these bonuses, if you send a screenshot of the payment to my Instagram, I'll leave a link to it in the description. I'm telling you, I'll give you personal bonuses from my side as well, for absolutely free, no charges whatsoever. So you can check out. Here's a list of everything that you're getting with it. So you can see it is a huge list, and it is just for $17 once and for all. You can see it is a one time $17. So you should be buying this. Get instant access now. Right. So that's Purvesh Mahajan, and again, my verdict is you should be getting this product.